What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable screen recorder show taps and touches in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on screenshots and screen recordings, and then here in screenshots and screen recordings, scroll down to the end and here you will see a show taps and touches button. Now if you want to enable screen recorder show taps and touches, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable screen recorder show taps and touches, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable screen recorder show taps and touches in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.